Hello everyone, my name is Amy. Nice to meet you. I'm from NUVO. So NUVO was established in 1969 and we produce a lot of bike accessory parts, which including belts, bottle cage, kickstands, and customized e-bike parts. We sell 80% of our sales to Europe. So right now we are actually having a very big project going on. We are building up our green factories. Why we are building up the green factories? It's not just a makeover, but also pursue the sustainability. So I would like to tell you, the original plan is actually like 4 times bigger than before, and it's around like 230,000 square feet. The construction already started from last year, and it will be finished next year in the middle of the 2024. And our goal is becoming the first green factories in Taiwan in the bicycle industries. So we also build up our solar panel on the rooftop. So the next one, I'm going to tell you about lean management. For our new factories, we do the 2 different things. First one is called lean management. We do the lean management according to do, plan, check, and actions. So first of all, we install like automatic robot machines and also visual management, automatic storage, and also the smart machine box. So the smart machine box is actually the solution for production line. So it can collect the better like a data sheet for the production line. For this one, we also set up the energy management. We set up the smart energy systems. For this one, we can collect and analyze the data sheet from air conditioner, electricity, and also the rainwater collection system, also the solar panel systems. So because we are expecting to continue our business with the low carbon emissions. Everyone knows about Taiwan is committing to achieve net zero by 2050. So this is also what we do. From the 2016, we already started to do this. So we also released around 638 tons in the 2021. Our goal is trying to reduce around 42% in the next 10 years. What we are going to do, we actually have the roadmap to the net zero. First of all, for the roadmap to the net zero, we also implement the strategy for the ESG strategy, and then go for the SBTi announcement, and then for the ISO 14064. For the energy management, we set up our own solar panel and also build up the green factories. For the step 2, from 2024 to 2030, we do the processing for transformation and also improve about management for the mode management. For the step 2 of the energy management, we do the implements for the energy systems and also equipment replacements. Last one, we also building up our own solar panel on the rooftop to get the green energy and then also renewable energy by ourselves. So the next one, I'm going to tell you about our new products. This one is actually from the 2023. Our bottle cage is called BC125PP. For this one, it's also like very sustainability like for the products. First of all, like for this one, it actually come with the 3 different pieces. And the second part, because for the shipments, it also reduce a lot of packaging. That's why we can also reduce about carbon footprint. The third part is we can also do the recycled material for this one from the fishnet or textile. It's like a full recycled material. Last but not least, for this one, the function, you can see from here, we do the 3 different pieces. So that's why from the 2 wings and 1 plate, we can go for right or left. And then if you are looking for the middle part, center part of the bottle cage, it's go for middle parts. So this is our bottle cage for the new 2023. So the last part, I would like to summarize a little bit because I give out all the informations. So first of all, NUVO is building up the green factories. Our goal is becoming the first green factories in Taiwan in the bicycle industry. The second part, we build up the green factories. We do the 2 different things. First one is called lean management. The second one is called energy management. Also, for this one, we do the SBTi announcement and go for ISO 14064. And then we also reuse and renew about recycled material. We will continue to reduce about plastic bag for sure. And then NUVO is turning 55 years next year. So it's my pleasure to invite you to come to our booths next year during the Taipei Cycle Show. So thank you so much. If you want to see more information, you can visit our website. It's called www.nuvo.ws. Thank you so much.